Hi, I am Kirsten, and I wanted to share with you some information about a program that I'm piloting right now called Building Collaborative Workplaces. So I'm in the middle of pilot number 1, and I'm doing this pilot with PEI Not-for-Profits with support from the Workers' Compensation Board of PEI. Thank you very much. It's very exciting to have the opportunity, and also to offer PEI Not-for-Profits the opportunity to access training that they may otherwise not be able to add to their budgets. So the way that I've set it up, it's a 6-session program. Each session is online. It's 90 minutes, and during the session I'll share some training, some information, some skills, some ideas, and some best practices about a particular theme connected to building collaborative workplaces. And the sessions are spaced about 2 to 3 weeks apart to give the people taking the program the opportunity to identify which of the best practices they want to test with their team. So the way I've set it up is that 2 people from each organization will take the program together. So it will be a manager or some sort of decision maker and a staff person, and both should be staff people. Both should be people that are working in the organization in the day-to-day, as opposed to say a board member, because I want them to be able to test out the best practices and really get a good sense of how they're working and the kind of impact that it's having for the team and how they're working together. So the different sessions are, so the first theme is around individuals and how we support healthy individuals, because that clearly is a foundation of collaborative workplace. It's difficult to be collaborative when you're not feeling like you're bringing your best self to your work. So that's the first theme. The second one is around relationship, which is definitely a foundation of collaborative workplace. Relationships are the foundation of collaboration. So how do we build those good relationships? So that'll be the theme of session 2. Session 3, the focus is around the culture of the workplace and a focus on, what's in that culture. Is there gossiping? Is there what I like to call cheerleading, which might sound like a good thing but isn't? Is there, how is conflict managed? So that'll be session 3. And then session 4, I'm very excited about. It's an opportunity to test out a best practice that I have developed and I've been working on. Well, it's been in my brain for over a decade, but it's a culmination of the 24 years of work that I've been doing in this area, and it's kind of like me in a box. So I'm going to share a new tool, and it's an opportunity to pilot and test this new tool and do some work together on creating agreements around how you want to work together as a team and how you want to work towards building a more collaborative workplace. And then session 5 is going to be specifically around conflict resolution. So how to use that same tool for resolving conflict. Each week there's also, or each session I should say, there's also materials that you take back and share with the rest of your team. So it might be a PDF, it might be a survey, little things that can easily be shared with the rest of the team. So it's not just the 2 people that are taking the program that are getting the information and the skills, it's getting shared throughout the whole team. So I think that's very cool. I'm getting some feedback already that it's working really well, that people are excited about it, and that the team members that aren't on the calls are also feeling like they're getting some benefit, which is kind of neat. So the next session starts March 6th. That's a lie. It starts March 3rd, and it goes until May 26th. I have some more information. I will post the link underneath, and you can check it out. Because the Workers' Compensation Board of PEI is contributing and highly subsidizing this program for not-for-profits, it's really, really cheap. So it's $197. That's for your whole organization. So I wanted to make it really affordable, and like I said, it's an opportunity that I hope will be really useful for not-for-profits and provide you with some training that perhaps you may not otherwise have been able to add to your budget. So look for the information, send me a note if you want more. I'm happy to chat to help you figure out whether or not it's a good fit for your organization. Thanks.